Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Today we're looking at shutters, and when we have wide windows there are some considerations. So on this window, it is about 8 feet wide. It's actually a little wider than 8 feet. And so you'll notice that we have 4 panels. It is possible to make these 2 panels right here hinge in the center and then pull off to the side. But what we did on this one is put in a T-post. So that allows us to open the left side panel, and now you have access to the window. And then you see this T-post right here. It's about 1 inch wide, and it holds the hinge here and at the bottom that allow these 2 panels to open up so that you have access to the window there. Now, being realistic, you're probably not going to have the panels sitting open like I just showed them because, because otherwise you're going to have the panels covering the side of the window, or you're going to have them pointing into the room. So really the T-post is done for stability and when the window is going to be covered by the shutters almost all the time. Thank you for watching the Kempler Design vlog.